sitwasyon na hindi na kailangan ng martial law. Na, di ba? Di ba dapat yun ang end?
Yes, pero
Kasi martial law is a measure to address a problem.
Yes.
So dapat, at the end of the tunnel,
Yes.
hindi na kailangan ng martial law. Tama naman.
Exactly, but we have to also understand proseso po yan eh. We are in that process and you can see it's working. We can feel it's working. Kami ng mga taga Mindanao, we feel it's working. So we know it has to be done. We have to push for martial law until ma-eradicate talaga natin yung insurgency. The passage of the BOL could help, you know, pero hanggang hindi pa natin nakita until they still have arms, hindi pa nila binibigay ang mga arms ngayon sa gobyerno, I think it's just fair that we continue. We have never done that before and may I ask you what other suggestions do you have? Ay tanggalin po natin yung martial law. We've done that for how many decades already dito sa Mindanao. So I think ito na lang po ang pag-asa natin eh. Subukan natin. How come you know, I plead to our people. Give it a chance. Give us a chance in Mindanao para ipakita naman sa buong Pilipinas na it's safe to come to our side of the country.